Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rebecca Tampos, 30 years old, single. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from Cebu, Philippines. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 children, and also 2 dogs. My duties are taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, car washing, gardening, marketing, and also taking care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because of good country, nice people, and I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow all your rules and regulations because I am a fast learner person, hardworking, respectful, kind, honest, and a jolly person. Thank you and God bless.